And today, guys, 10 uses for a, here we go, 10 uses for a blowtorch. Hey guys, this is Mark with the Art of Rving. If you're not a sub, become a sub. Hit that sub button right over there. I think it's red. We're on the Instagram. We're on the Instagram also. So hit us up on Instagram, Art of Rving. Today, 10 uses for a blowtorch. A handheld torch is a great tool. I use it constantly. And by the way, if you buy one, and you should, make sure you get an electric starter on there. You don't want to hit a striker every single time you want to light this thing. So this is the way right here. So here we go. The 10 uses for a blowtorch. Here we go. The first use out of the 10 uses of a blowtorch. Did you know that you can loosen rusty bolts with a blowtorch? Yeah, I didn't know that either till I did some research on it. And apparently you get your rusted bolt and you heat it up. And you heat it like super hot, and then you let it cool down, and as it cools down, apparently the bolt constricts and you can take the bolt loose. Yes, so number one, rusty bolts. The second great use of your blowtorch is you can bend steel. Yeah, just heat it, use a pair of pliers because it's gonna be hot, and you just bend it. The second use out of 10 uses of a blowtorch. Number three, shrink wrap. When you're putting two wires together like this, you know, you have to get that heat and put it underneath there, and usually you do a lighter and it's very difficult to judge it. So you get your blowtorch out and you barely touch the heat on there. And number four of the 10 uses of a blowtorch, did you know that you could take labels off of glass? Yes, could become very useful. You'd want to heat up the label and the glue, but you do not want to melt the glass. No, that wouldn't be good. And then after you burnt off the label and the glue, you just scrape it off, and then you get the Windex, clean it up, and easy peasy. Number four. Number five, start a campfire with your blowtorch. I've seen so many times where I've seen professional campers or RVers, and they're starting their campfire with a Dollar Tree lighter, and they're like, you know how hard it is to push? I don't know, maybe it's just me, but I mean, I'm not mad, but use a blowtorch. It makes your life so much easier to start that campfire. It makes you look like you know what you're doing too. Okay. Number six, my favorite, fireworks. Get yourself a headlamp, a blowtorch, and some fireworks, you're good to go. We have such a reputation of being such pyros during the 4th of July. We had some friends over and their kids came over with safety goggles on. True story. All right, coming in at number seven, a creative way to use your blowtorch. You can turn a regular piece of wood into a really cool looking textured, kind of a old-fashioned looking rustic piece of wood only by applying heat onto it. And here we go, coming up with number 8. That would be singeing the end of nylon rope so it doesn't fray. Oh, you're saying, oh, everybody does that. Except, did you know, I use the torch a lot to cut things also, like I cut rope with it, I will cut string with it, and as you do that, it automatically will singe both ends of it. So I use it as a cutting tool, and I use it as a defraying tool also. Plus it's cool to burn that nylon, see that black get in there, yeah, you know, something like that. Number 8. Number 9 of 10 uses of a blowtorch, and you want to stay here for number 10, because it is going to trip you out. But number 9, did you know a blowtorch is a weed eater? Yes, it can kill those pesky weeds like inside your sidewalk. I like to use a blowtorch and get down on my driveway and just kind of blow those weeds into oblivion with that heat. It's really kind of fun. See any ants? Do the same thing. Okay, number 10 of the 10 uses of a blowtorch. And I told you it's gonna be awesome, and I'm here to deliver. Did you know you can use your blowtorch to cook with? Yes, to cook with. I did some research and started expanding my mind and realized that I can cook with a blowtorch. Yes, here are some things that you can cook. French toast, creme brulee, marshmallows, fish, baked Alaska, steaks, roasted peppers, skillet pizza, banana foster, all kinds of things. Go online, go onto the Google. and check out Cooking with a Blowtorch. It's gonna blow your mind, because once your mind's been expanded, it can never go back to its original form, right? So there you have it, the 10 uses of a blowtorch. We'll check ya.